Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to book cab in Uber app. So let's get into the video. So open up Uber app and then log into your account. If you have an account, you just need your phone number. You can just use that and create an account. It's pretty easy. So once you're done here on your Uber app, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply select where do you want to go to. So simply hit on this where to option here. And then when you get to this click on where to, then you also have on top of the where to, there is that's the pickup location. So you can leave it as it is as per your default location, or else you can hit on it and then just type in the address where you want to pick up. And then once that's done, hit on this, click on the where to option, and that's where you choose where you want to drop off, the drop off location. So you can just type it and then or choose whatever, like the dropping location. And apart from that, if you go back, you can also schedule a pickup. So if you click on here, and you can schedule for right now, or if you want to schedule something for advance, and if it's a one-way or two-way, you can select those details as well. So once you have selected your locations, so this will now gather the different options available, the different cabs available for you. So you can just choose the one that's best suit you. So for example, I'll just choose to go with this one. So what I'm going to do, once I click on it, all I have to do now is hit on confirm. So when I hit on confirm Uber, so it's going to now look for a cab, and once someone accepts your ride, and that's it. You just have to wait for your ride and then just start your journey. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy to book a cab on Uber app. So I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.